Hello and welcome. Here's how to pair your PlayStation 5 controller with your Chromecast with Google TV. So let's begin. We'll start with the Chromecast. We'll move to the top right corner, then come down to Settings. On this next list, we'll come down again. This time we're looking for Remotes and Accessories. Now we have Pair Remote or Accessory. Select that, and it's now searching for an accessory. At this point we grab the PlayStation 5 controller, press and hold down the Create button and the PS button. After a short while, the controller becomes discoverable, and you can tell that by the flashing blue light. On the TV you'll see that it says wireless controller. Grab your remote and just click OK on that. It says pairing. We'll give it a few seconds. Bluetooth pairing request from wireless controller, pair. And the wireless controller is now paired, and you can tell by the solid light on the controller, and more importantly, when you move up and down, it's controlled by the said controller. So I hope you found this useful. If you have, let me know in the comments and give the video a thumbs up. Really appreciate you choosing my video, and have a great day ahead.